In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a document using Microsoft Word. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, need a hard copy for review, or just like to keep a physical archive of important documents, printing directly from Word is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure your document turns out exactly the way you want. First, open your Microsoft Word document. This could be a freshly typed report or an older document you've pulled up for reference. Make sure everything looks just as you'd like it on your screen, from the text alignment to the margins. These on-screen details are exactly what will transfer onto the printed page, so it's important to take a good look. Once you're satisfied with your document, move to the top left corner of your Word window and click on File. This is going to open up a sidebar with a variety of options related to your document. From this menu, you'll want to locate and select Print. It might seem straightforward, but this is where you'll make specific choices about your printing preferences. Now, we come to the part where you choose your printer. You'll see a drop-down list displaying all available printers connected to your computer. If you have more than one, make sure to select the right one for your document. This ensures that your document ends up where it should. No surprises down the hall at someone else's desk. After choosing your printer, it's time to adjust the specifics of your print job. You'll see a few options available, starting with the number of copies. You might need just one copy, or maybe a few more if you're distributing them among colleagues or family. Next up is deciding which pages you want to print. You have the option to print all pages, which is great for full documents, or specify particular pages if you're only focusing on certain sections. This is a real paper saver. Then, think about the orientation. Depending on the layout of your document, you might prefer a portrait orientation which is taller, or a landscape orientation that's wider. Choose what's best for your document style and content. You can also check the paper size here. While the standard is usually A4 or letter, make sure you match your paper type to the document settings if they differ from the usual. Once you've adjusted all these settings to your satisfaction, you're ready for the final step. Simply click on Print. Your printer will spring into action, and within moments, your document will begin to emerge, ready for whatever use you have in mind. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the printing process in Microsoft Word. With these simple steps, you can print any document with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy printing!